Okay, well, new world where things happen. Okay. 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 All right. Johnny. Johnny.
What is it, Johnny doing?
Try and move your fingers out of
Whoa.
Good morning, Burr.
Because I'm really happy. I'm very, very happy. I'm super duper happy.
I'm scared to ask
very
this, but why
happy.
are you happy?
I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy. I'm super duper happy. I'm happy.
Oh boy. Chili, we have to feed her breakfast. I know. Pets! Okay,
Also,
Hush
Chili
up.
sleeps with him from now on.
okay. So, you, what do you want? Hop. Fine, here's a carrot. Hop. Here's a dog treat. Okay, well. Jorge, what you want? Okay, fine. In the kitchen. Gotta make the nuggets. Where are the nuggets?
They're in the freezer, didn't you?
Where are the chicken nuggets?
They're in the freezer.
Oh. Oh. I'm back. Here, have your nuggets. Okay. Chili. Chili. You want a chili dog? Here you go.
Left Chili. Butter.
Here's the
Butter.
I gave you butter.
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 I want pizza. I realize that you want pizza, okay? Pizza?
Butter.
Shut up.
Butter.
I gave you butter.
Butter.
Puts tape over her mouth.
Butter. Butter.
I
Butter.
want pizza. I realize that. I want pizza. I realize that. I want pizza. I know. I want pizza. Jorge, get! Here, have the pizza.
Rockhead activated. Rockhead mode activated.
What could that be? Taco, can you get the door?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. What? Oh.
I'm-
Hi, Peter.
I'm Uncle Peter.
Hi, Peter.
I'm Perry's
Go to-
brother.
I know.
Oh, I hope you don't mind, but I brought my pets. So this is this is Carl. He makes weird noises only from these video games. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sorry about that. And I also have another pet. Crunch. He's a shark. He's a shark. He eats everything. Literally, he will eat anything. Goodbye. What the heck is that thing? I'm gonna watch the football game. So, you new around here. Too late, leave him. So, crunch. Crunch. Oh my god, he's eating chili. Leave it. Crunch. Stop it.
Uncle Peter, come get your dumb pet.
No thanks. Crunch.
I'm invincible, you know.
Shark. Well, let's just go to the pet room. Follow me. Crunch.
Yeah.
Doodly doodly din. I'm back. Yeah. Take those headphones off. I'm just trying to listen to music. What? Why are you eating the floor? Stop eating floorboards! I've told you that 1,000 times. Okay. So. Nobody asked. Stop it. Well, what to do? You know, we should go to McDonald's. I am broke. I will not pay again. Remember last time you took me to McDonald's? You got 7 cheeseburgers. So, you don't need to eat that much. Well, can I at least get some fries there? No, I'm not buying you anything. Ask your dad to buy you something.
I am burned.
He is way too busy. He is way too busy watching his stupid football game. Watching the stupid Mexico City Chipmunks.
Meow.
It's not like they're even gonna win. The game's been going on for like 12 hours now.
Meow.
It's never ending. Yep. But one thing's for sure. You're not. I'm not taking you to fast food.
Sure.
Something's seriously wrong with you.
You need to lose some weight. You're having weight issues.
Clearly.
Meow.
You need to lose weight too. You need to go to the gym.
Guys, did
You need to
you
get
know
buff.
we're going to a hockey game?
Are we gonna see the Mexico City Ice Chips?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Jorge, go to the gym first.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, you got big. Okay, here, have nuggets. With one nugget, man.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You are
whoa,
really
whoa,
squishy.
Whoa. Whoa.
I don't think you're gonna be able to sleep on top of me at night like how you normally do. No, that's Burr's job. Burr is really... What did you do to him? What did you do to him? You flushed him, didn't you? How did you get up there? You are very weird. Flush him again. Flush turd. Flush the turd. Here, flush the turd. What the heck is that?
It is not my fault. Wow!
What is happening?
I'm Burr.
He's stuck in the floorboards. Here, he's gonna break out any second now. Oh my god.
Hey, I heard you guys were going to a hockey game. I love hockey games. I used to do them when I was a kid.
Yes, I used to be on the hockey team.
Guys,
Wait,
they're
you
leaving-
are a kid.
Well, I'm 19.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You are 11.
No. No.
I'm 11.
Not. Yeah, I'm not the same age as you.
You are 14.
No, I'm actually 19.
You are not 19.
Yes, I am.
Then how come you're dating like a 3-year-old? You're literally 3.
Oh.
Shut up.
Oh.
What the heck? Where did you even go? Ow.
Well, okay, fine, I'm 16. But,
That's what I thought.
well, I still used to do them when I was 9 and 10.
I'm 14.
I'm 16, like her.
Yes. Wait, I thought you were 17.
No, I'm dating a 14.
I
Well,
realized that. Yes, that's because you broke up with that's because you broke up with diabetic Taco over there. Yeah, and remember on your wedding day when he broke up with you? Let's have a flashback of that. Let's ominously look toward this weird floating thing. Do you, Taco, take Snowball to be your lawfully wedded wife?
it's Snowcap.
Whatever.
Yes, I do.
Snowball, do you take Taco to be your husband until you both die?
I do.
You may now kiss.
Jenny? That's right. I missed you.
His old middle school girlfriend. Oh my gosh. I'm out of here.
You didn't even pay me.
Yes, I remember that. That was a sad moment.
Stupid Jenny.
Yep. All right, we have to go to the hockey game. I need to get my jersey on.
I'm not going, sadly.
Okay. Mama, I can't wait to see.
I'm not going either. That guy fell.
I know. I can't wait to see it. Burr, you're not coming.
Mm-hmm.
No, you're not.
Mhm.
You take up 7 seats. Neither are you, Jorge. You have to stay here. You're too big. You've eaten one too many nuggets. Okay, now you flush yourself.
I'm going.
Are you going?
I guess so, actually.
Okay. Yay. Okay. Dada. I like football better. By the way, for everyone watching, he's talking about football as in like our soccer if you're American. He's talking about like our soccer. Like not like American football with touchdowns. We're talking about like when you kick the ball, yeah. Football. Football. Or soccer if you're American. But that's what we're talking about. Just to let you know. That's what they call it in other countries. Football. It's just us Americans decided to call it soccer. Not entirely sure why, but
Yeah.
it's because we wanted to make up our own football, I guess. Anyways, back to the show. Alright. Fine, I'll go. Yay! Let's go. I'm so excited! What are you doing, son? You're not old enough to drive! Alright, we're here. Now, I can't wait for them to come out. Please welcome your very own Mexico City Ice Chips! Jorge, what is he doing here? Hey, that's the other team. Boo! 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 It's the San Antonio Narwhals.
Wait, these are the
Okay, let's get this game started. All right, let's do this.
And the unknown player has the puck and
You're scoring on your own goal. And goal for the Mexico City Ice Chips. Yay! Jorge scored.
let's go Ice Chips!
Let's go Ice Chips. Let's go Ice Chips. Earn. Let's go Ice Chips. Earn. Let's go Ice Chips. Earn. Let's go Ice Chips. All right. They're on the move. Yeah. And that random person has the puck. And Nidsi Boskry has the puck. And Jorge takes it.
And it looks like the
And
goalie.
it looks like their goalie fell. So the net is wide open. Not anymore. Goalie interference. Goal! And the Mexico City Ice Chips win the game. Yay!